We embarked on this journey of setting up our manufacturing plant way back in 2011. And this was obviously an investment ahead of time. It took us 18 months to identify the location where we had to put up the state-of-the-art manufacturing plant. People from across the globe contributed to make sure that we got the right manufacturing competencies, capabilities, people and processes. Our products are backed by science, technology, research, and we want to make sure that we in-source all the proprietary technology, especially for a nutrition and beauty segment.